Today we're going to teach you how to upgrade your M1 into an M2 with the M2 upgrade kit. Your M2 upgrade kit will come with stabilizing bars, the M2 base, and support blocks. Step 1 will be to remove the clamp portion of the jig from the M1 base. For step 2, we're going to remove the jig from the base. For easy removal and attachment, make sure your jig measurement is set to 1/2 inch. For step 3, reattach the clamping portion of the jig to your new M2 base. For step 4, detach your adapter plate from the M1 and attach it to your new M2 base. For step 5, you will be attaching the jig onto the M2 base. For step 6, attach your stabilizing bars along with your support blocks and you're ready to go.